The first part is circuit diagram, in which I will tell you how every component of this project is connected together. I used a battery in this circuit diagram, but you can use any 5-volt power supply you can find around. So this was the circuit diagram of this project. In the second part, we'll learn how to build a thing and the dashboard in the Arduino IoT Cloud. Let's open up the Arduino IoT Cloud. This is the welcome page by IoT Cloud. So first of all, you will have to make an account, so click on sign in, then click on create one. Now I already have an account, so I'll skip this step. Instead, I'll click on sign in, and this page will open up containing the information about different Arduino kits and different variants of the Arduino. Click here and go to IoT Cloud. Here you can see the definition of a thing. So a thing is basically a device that can communicate with the cloud. For example, it could be a ESP32 or an Arduino. So with that in mind, let's hit create thing. So here, give it a catchy title, let's say my home automation thing. Then hit add variable. Now, what is a variable? So a variable is what you will monitor or control. For example, in our case, a light bulb or a fan. This is the thing that we want to control with mobile phone or with the Wi-Fi. Then name the variable, let's suppose light 1. Then select the variable type. We'll select the Boolean variable type because the light is either on and off. Then select read and write and select on change. Then hit add variable. Keep adding the variables depending on your devices that you want to control. In my case, I'll add one for a fan and one for a second light bulb, following the same steps. Now click on Associate Device. This device will communicate with the cloud, and it is either an Arduino or some third-party device like an ESP32 or a Node MCU. I have an ESP32, so I'll click on a third-party device. Select ESP32 and select the boot type. My ESP is DevKit V1, so I'll select it. Then name your device. Click Next. This is auto-generated device ID and a secret key. You'll need it in registering your Wi-Fi network later, so save it for later use. Then add your Wi-Fi credentials here and add the secret key here. Click Next, and now our thing is ready. Let's review for a second what we have selected. Now let's build the dashboard. So what's the dashboard? The dashboard basically contains some custom buttons or some gauges or maybe some charts that you'll monitor and control. For example, in our case, I'll design a dashboard for my mobile phone so that I'll press a button and a light will turn on. So to build the dashboard, click here, name it as you like, then click on Add. This is the list of widgets you can add. I just have to control a light, so I'll add a switch. Then I have to name it. Then click on link variable. So here I'll select which variable I want to control with this widget or button. So select it and then hit link variable. Repeat the process for remaining variables. once this is done, you can now customize your dashboard for desktop and for mobile screen. So this concludes our second part. In the third part, we'll program this project in the online editor, and we'll see how easy it is to program a basic smart home. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.